Grenadian Spice Cake. A dessert from Grenada. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Sift together the flour, baking powder and salt, set aside. Step 2. In a medium bowl, cream together the sugar and butter. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the lime zest, nutmeg, cinnamon, and allspice. Add the dry ingredients alternately with the milk. Step 3. Stirring after each addition. Bake for 75 to 90 minutes batter into the preheated pan until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Cool in the pan for 10 minutes before turning out onto a rack to cool completely. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.